Hi guys, Mike Pickett here. Hi, well, I'm at an internet cafe. Just trying to spare my own internet connection. I was out and about after I had some Japanese lessons in the morning, and now I'm in an internet cafe. Watching YouTube videos about the typhoon that's coming up actually. Which has slowed down a bit at least, but it's a super typhoon. Like high end that we had a few weeks ago. And its course is eerily similar to typhoon actually. But at least it's slowing up a bit. So that does mean it will linger longer. Sort of rain and be really sort of stormy. It's already quite stormy here actually, even though it's days away. Anyway, that's that really, just checking in. Check out my other video where I filmed the moon last night. I'll put a link below and put it in. Upload that one first and put the link for it below. See ya. Bye. Hi YouTube, I hope you can hear me over this rain. You can hear it in the background. It's quite impressive really. Yeah, it's raining. I'm out shopping. I wanted to go for a walk really today, but I really couldn't. Trying to spend more time at the university. I only have to be there a couple of days a week for my job, but it's always good to be there. But I went to Japanese classes in the morning and thought, yeah, I'm hiding in an internet cafe I think for the rest of the day because it looked like this. Not all day. It got really bad in the last couple of hours though. I just didn't leave the internet cafe. But anyway, just got to check in. And that's it really. Yeah. Well, actually no. That's not quite it. This is partly due to the typhoon's gone away, and the one approaching and associated with this is Typhoon which, if it makes landfall, between the 11th and 13th, 11th and 14th, it'll be a Kyushu Okinawa from the 10th, 11th, and Kyushu 12, Kansai 13, and Tokyo 13, and 13th and the Sapporo 14th. Not going to be fun. It's a proper super typhoon, a bit like Haiyan actually. Its course and the speed is pretty similar to the last one, typhoon. But yeah, it's going to be bad, as this rain evidences basically. See ya. Bye.